Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 1999 Ferrari F355 Spider. This example has just over 20,000 miles. It just had the belt service in August of 2024 at Ferrari of San Antonio. Then it's covered about 200 miles since then. The titanium gray paint presents nicely all around. The factory wheels are nice all around, good tires. It starts right up, sounds excellent, has excellent power. The F1 gearbox shifts through all gears nicely. Inside, the seats are all in good condition. There's minor wear, but overall very good. The dash is nice. The vents are not sticky. All of the gauges work properly. There today it shows 20,638 miles. That belt service was done at 20,450. All the central controls work. One key fob. Door cards are all nice. It is really just an excellent example of an excellent car. So there you have it, our 1999 Ferrari F355 Spider.